Your influencer media kit isn't something you create once and forget about. It's a living document that should evolve as your career grows. So in this video, we'll go over how to update and maintain your Wix influencer site so it always stays fresh, professional, and relevant to brands. Brands want to see your current reach and engagement. Make it a habit to update your follower counts, engagement rates, and audience demographics at least once a month. In the Wix editor, just simply edit your text boxes or chart elements to reflect your latest numbers. Whenever you complete a new campaign, feature it in your collaborations or portfolio section. This shows brands that you're active and experienced. If you're just starting, update the section with personal projects like styled shoots or case studies to demonstrate growth. Rates can change as your influence grows. Keep your pricing transparent and up to date by revisiting your rate card. Even if you prefer not to list exact prices, make sure the services you offer are clearly presented and relevant. Your bio should reflect your current niche, style, and goals. If your focus has shifted or your branding has evolved, update your story to match. And don't forget your headshot. Use a fresh, high-quality image that represents your current personal brand. Over time, links can break or contact forms may stop working. Check your social icons, email links, and submission forms to ensure they're still active and pointing to the right places. A broken link can cost you a big opportunity. And finally, always preview your site both on desktop and mobile after every updates. This ensures that your layout stays clean and user-friendly across all devices, keeping your media kit professional at all times. And that's how you keep your Wix influencer media kit updated and maintained. By refreshing your stats, portfolio, and contact information regularly, you'll always be ready when an opportunity comes your way. We hope you found this series helpful. Consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials and for more Wix projects. See you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.